Hi, everybody. I'm your host, Chris Graham. This is East Coast Mini Splits and Heat Pumps. Just wanted to touch base with you about a couple things you can expect when you give us a call. Some of the benefits that we're able to provide you with is that Mass Save, if you're eligible, will have rebates, and we'll handle all the rebate paperwork for you and submit the rebate on your behalf. So you won't have to deal with any of that. I know there's a lot of challenges that are associated with Mass Save and the rebate process and the rebate program, but we're very familiar with it and able to help. So take a peek at our website and give the office a call if you're interested in upgrading your system to a mini split or a heat pump. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. East Coast Mini Splits and Heat Pumps.com. We'd love your review. Give us a call. We're looking forward to see what we can do for you.